Williamson has the green light on 3-0. He does, and he crushes this one. Forget about it. Sherman Johnson turns around. That one's going to wind up on the backside of the berm. 2-run homer for Mac Williamson. And with that, Sacramento's back in front, 4-3. He just had a feeling he's on an injury rehab assignment. No big deal one way or the other. And he was going to have a green light, and he knew what to